Running is one of the most accessible and straightforward forms of exercise that anyone can do, regardless of age or fitness level. Not only is it an excellent way to lose weight and improve cardiovascular health, but it can also have numerous physical and mental health benefits. In this video, we'll explore the benefits of running for 30 minutes every day, as well as some tips for making the most out of your daily runs. Running can be an effective way to lose weight, as it burns a significant number of calories. According to the American Council on Exercise, a 150-pound person can burn approximately 340 calories by running for 30 minutes at a moderate pace. This can help you create a calorie deficit, which is necessary for weight loss. Running can also improve your cardiovascular health by strengthening your heart and lungs. According to a study published in the British Journal of Sports Medicine, running can help reduce your risk of developing cardiovascular disease by up to 45%. Running can also help lower your blood pressure and cholesterol levels, both of which are risk factors for heart disease. Running can help strengthen your leg muscles, including your quadriceps, hamstrings, and calves. Running uphill or adding resistance training can also help build strength in your glutes and core muscles. Running regularly can help improve your endurance and stamina, allowing you to run longer distances without getting tired. This can be beneficial for other physical activities, such as sports or outdoor recreational activities. In addition to physical benefits, running can also have numerous mental health benefits. Running triggers the release of endorphins, which are natural chemicals that can improve your mood and reduce feelings of stress and anxiety. According to a study published in the Journal of Psychiatric and Mental Health Nursing, running can also improve self-esteem and reduce symptoms of depression. Running can be a great way to manage stress and reduce feelings of tension and anxiety. According to the Anxiety and Depression Association of America, regular exercise like running can help reduce stress and improve mood by increasing the production of neurotransmitters like serotonin and norepinephrine. Running can also be a form of mindfulness, allowing you to focus on the present moment and clear your mind. According to a study published in the Journal of Health Psychology, running can help improve mindfulness and reduce rumination, which is a common symptom of anxiety and depression. Now that you know the benefits of running, here are some tips for making the most out of your daily runs. Before and after your run, take a few minutes to stretch and warm up your muscles. This can help prevent injuries and improve your performance. Start slowly. If you're new to running or haven't run in a while, start slowly and gradually build up your endurance. This can help prevent injuries and make running more enjoyable. Wear the right shoes. Investing in a good pair of running shoes can help prevent injuries and improve your comfort and performance. Make sure to choose shoes that fit well and provide adequate support for your feet. Running the same route or distance every day can get boring. Mix it up by trying new routes or adding intervals of sprints or hills to your runs. Drinking enough water before, during, and after your run is important for maintaining your energy and preventing dehydration. Listening to music or podcasts can make your runs more enjoyable and help you stay motivated. Create a playlist or choose a podcast that you enjoy and listen to it while you run. Running with a partner can make your runs more fun and help you stay accountable. Find a friend or family member who enjoys running or join a running group in your community. Keeping track of your progress can help you stay motivated and see the improvements in your endurance and fitness level. Use a fitness tracker or app to monitor your distance, pace, and time. Setting goals can help you stay focused and motivated. Whether it's running a certain distance or time, signing up for a race, or simply sticking to a daily running routine, having a goal in mind can help you stay on track. By following these tips and making running a part of your daily routine, you can improve your overall health and well-being and enjoy the many benefits of this simple and accessible form of exercise. So lace up your shoes, hit the pavement, and start running towards a healthier and happier you. Hope this will give you motivation for running and knowledge what running can do for you. If you like the video, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss interesting videos like this.